Umkhonto weSizwe Party confirms that Comrade Mzwanele Manyi and Comrade Floyd Shivambu have joined the party. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party welcomes the decision by the astute and well-experienced leaders, as it could not have come at a better time. The onboarding of both these progressive and politically experienced comrades will further strengthen the agenda of the Progressive Caucus. Comrade Manyi and Comrade Shivambu will be deployed respectively according to their strengths and expertise. As leadership, we ask that all members of Umkhonto weSizwe Party welcome these two progressive comrades as they begin to form part of driving the agenda of the revolution. We wish them well as they pick up the spear and continue the fight for the emancipation of the downtrodden and marginalized people in our country. The leader of the Economic Freedom Fighters, Julius Malema, also confirmed that there are members of the EFF who will also join the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Gulem also took it to his Twitter account and bashed Julius Malema and wrote, according to very sombre, emotional and dejected looking Julius Malema, many more people are expected to leave the EFF together with Floyd Shivambu. The following are expected to leave: Mboiseni Ndlozi, Veronica Mente, Mzwanele Manyi, Dali Mpofu, and many others. Alleged the kingpin working the ground on behalf of Umkhonto weSizwe Party is Dali Mpofu. Total chaos, carnage in the EFF as Jacob Zuma personally destroys EFF.